set up. Got our hose, everything connected. Watch how fast this thing fills up. Look at that. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's up, everybody? This your boy Q. You know who? Back with another video. I think I'm competing with Q today. Actually by Brielle's car, which is her Jeep. And her tire is flat. Again. And I say again because, guys, this is the third time this tire has been flat. We have already went to Discount Tire twice and had this thing apparently repaired and fixed. But each time, over like 2 days, we come back outside, the tire's flat. So actually, what I'm about to do is air it up so we can take it back to Discount. So as y'all know, I do have the Hornblaster train horn kit on my F-150 here. I'll show y'all. Down up in here. There they are right there. Super loud, by the way.
It's right in the back of your truck.
All right. Definitely recommend if you want to have a little fun. When I got my Hornblaster train horn kit, I also added the additional piece, which is the tire inflation kit, that you can option this thing out. So basically your tank can air up tires, right? So I'm like, if you're gonna get something like this, a toy like this, at least it'll be functional too. I'm gonna show y'all where it's at. So when they mounted it right here. Boom, right there. There's it is, right there. So yeah, I can actually inflate tires with the Hornblaster train horn kit, which is what I'm about to do right now. So I'm just gonna show you how this process works real quick. But let me get the truck moved over here in a better spot so we can pull it up. There's the Camaro right here. I think y'all may have saw this video already, I'm not sure. The Camaro was hit. If y'all haven't, there it is. So it has to go into the repair shop actually here tomorrow. I will be dropping it off. I know we got the new AWE non-resonated exhaust on here. Give y'all a start up. It's not cold because actually Brielle took the truck because she couldn't use her truck, so she just actually took it out because she had to run some errands. So here we go. Let's see what's happening. So that noise y'all just heard, the psh, was actually me emptying the tanks. When you do this, you don't want any pressure in the tanks trying to connect that hose. I learned from experience, trust me, I almost took my hand off. So empty the tank, you don't want the compressor with any air, and then you connect your hoses, which I'm gonna show y'all right here. Here are the hoses. The actual, your gauge thing right here, this connects directly to the tire. And this is your trigger right there to pull, and then you have your other piece, which you're gonna need. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's not as easy as it may seem. And here's your actual hose that connects to the fitting on the back of the truck that I showed you the first time. So let's go ahead and get this whole thing connected. The freaking cap wasn't even on there. That fell off like 2 seconds, bro. Just gonna take this, connect that here. It has like a little pull mechanism on there. You slide it back. I'm sure y'all can see that. And just like that. And it hooks on. And then you do the same thing here with this fitting right here. So you just take this here, slide it in. There we go. Now that's on. I'll take this, put that on, like so. Clamp it down. There we go. Clamp it down. We're all set up. Got our hose, everything connected. Now I need to go put air back in the compressor. My compressor run off the switch and not the ignition, so I can just turn it on with my button right here. Just turn it on. And now, as you can hear, the compressor is airing up. And it's started there. So yeah, once it airs up a little bit, I'm gonna come over here and press the button, give it a squeeze, and then we'll start adding some air to this done tire. So watch how fast this thing fills up. Hopefully, whatever's going on, it's not too bad. It'll fill up, but it's pretty fast. Look at that. It inflates pretty quick. You can see. I'm watching my gauge right here. I think that's when it goes down. I'm not sure if that's the pressure in the tire or if that's the reading of how much pressure is being put back out. You'll see now, see, I'm not really getting much left, I don't think. So I'm gonna stop, let the compressor fill back up, and then you'll notice when I hit the gauge, it'll be more like around 110 or 120. You know the crazy thing about this, Brielle has now had this car for like 5 years, and the tires have given us the most issue, whether that be her sensors or the tires. I'm not sure, we got some cheap tires over here. They are Scorpion tires, you know? I don't know, but her tires, this is like her third, fourth time using like a flat, like in this car, like seriously, it's like way too common, you know? Comment below if y'all want to see a video, a 5-year, 3-year, 5-year review on the Jeep. When I posted the video for the first time, did a review on it, it actually got a lot of views and a lot of people are interested. It's a very popular Jeep, very popular vehicle. So comment below if y'all want to see a 5-year review. We'll bring Brielle on the channel and let her do it. All right, here we go. We're gonna put some more. Watch where the needle is now. See how it's at 100 and it goes down, but you'll see there, tires airing up some more. All right, so now we're getting down to about 40, so I'm gonna stop one more time because I don't want to overinflate it. When she had the issue the first time, I put some air in it, I overinflated like a lot. I put like 50 pounds of pressure there, and I think this, it says 33 is what it should be. Huh? I think it's good. Huh? You can read it and see if you want to. You know what I noticed though? The cap, it wasn't even on there. I twisted like twice and it just came off. The stem cap, like literally just came off. Yeah, I know. I think it's the tires. I don't know. Probably won't buy these again is what I was saying. All right, that should be good. Take this off like that. Put the cap back on. Literally, this cap was not on there at all, guys. Like at all. Huh? 45? Oh, it's too much. All right, let me take some out. I put too much in there. So let air out, guys. You can just use your nail. You can just let air out with your finger. If you didn't know. But it's kind of hard. Your finger not gonna cap. Best have like a quarter or keys. I never use anything like this. I usually use my finger. There we go. Think that should be good? Yeah. You said it was at 45? Yeah, check it now and see. I don't want to take out too much because you're already losing air anyway. But it's definitely a slow leak because it's like, what, 2 days? And it'll be flat like after 2 days?
Yeah, I went Monday last week and fixed it.
Yeah, it's like Thursday back on flat. So about 2 days.
And then Friday I took it back.
Friday.
Saturday, yesterday.
Yeah. Now I need to empty the tank to the compressor to take this fitting off, because I'm telling you, if you leave this compressor on with air in there, you leave this on, take this hose off, it's gonna, it shoots out like a lot. You can lose, I'm telling you. Along with the inflation kit that you just saw me use, I did also get the electric drain valve kit as well. So I just go in there and press a button and it drains it. If you don't get that, you actually have to go underneath your vehicle and actually manually drain the tank. It's just a little thing you pull down and literally just lets the air out. So it's just an easy way to do it from inside the cab. I think both of these features together like $150 a piece. So it's like additional $300. But I think it's worth it for me, you know, because you do have to drain your tank. Part of owning the Hornblaster kit is to drain your tank every now and then. On that website tells you, I can't remember, if you're using it, you don't have to drain it as much, but you should drain it. But again, go check out their website if you're interested on how to, or when and how often you should drain it. But she's all good to go. She's gonna go discount, get a new tire. So it fills up pretty quick, man. So if you're interested in this product, I'm telling you, man, this is no sponsor either. Hornblasters does not sponsor me, by the way. This is just me showing the train horn key. I've been wanting to show this feature for a while, and I just have never gotten around to it. So actually, I got my own air supply. If I ever run into issue with my tires, you know, I got my own air supply, and I can help people in the pinch. That's all I got. It's your boy Q, but I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.